That dress. She's asking for it.
A girl says no. She means yes.
In Kenya, being a real man is all about toughness, putting your foot down, and showing who's boss.
They were only messing around.
Be a man.
These are the things that are said every day. In homes, on the streets, and in schools.
It's the same in Zambia, Tanzania, South Africa, and many other African countries.
Hitting your girlfriend means you're the one with a problem. Beating children is not a sign of your power.
As a young man, bullying doesn't prove your manhood. And as a husband, your home should be a place of safety.
We should solve our problems with our words and not our fists.
We are Sauti Sol from Kenya, and through our Soma Soma initiative, we support this campaign.
It's in all our hands. Let's stop the violence.